Hello everyone, I am Surabhi. Welcome to my channel. Today's busy book is for my 7-year-old where we are covering the topic of logical critical thinking, fun drawing prompts, some subtraction questions and money questions. So let's start with the first one. So again this is inspired from the critical thinking co-companies, mind benders or whatever puzzles they send me on email. I make the similar ones. For the critical thinking. So here again I have these animals and these are the name of them. So you have to find which animal has which name. So here are the clues that the king is smaller than the dog and rover, horse is younger than the angel, and beauty is the oldest and is good friend of dog. So it means beauty and dog are different, and you have to follow the critical thinking way, tick one, cross one, and then you'll be able to find the answers. So before you do it, just do it yourself, before giving it to your child, so that you know how to solve it out. I have done in my rough, so I know it. So otherwise you can get the questions from the critical thinking co company's website, or be the subscriber, they send you the questions and then do similar questions yourself. Here are some fun drawing prompts. I used to do them long time back, so I just thought I'll bring them again. So you have to draw a giant thing, a narrow thing, a fragile thing, an ancient thing, and an amusing thing. I'm not going to explain them or give them like this is narrow, this one. I just want to see what she thinks, and what she finds amusing, what she finds ancient, and just see what she draws. This is some set of questions which I found she was not able to do in the older busy books. Like when we do a busy book, the questions which she goofs up and does a mistake, I make a note of them and repeat them in the next busy book to make sure that she gets the concept. So like this pattern one where we are skipping back by 20, so she was able to do 802, but here it had to be 782 and she could not do it. So that's what I have added this one. And this subtraction is again when I'm subtracting 9, 97, 99, she is goofing up because there no difference, only one or two numbers. Like it's not 43 or something, that she's easy, but when it goes to 99, should she subtract 100? So usually when we do it, how we do it is 408 minus 99 means you remove 100 from it first, so it will be 308, but you removed one extra, so it is 309. That's how I taught her. But one to add, one to subtract, she's still not able to do it. So yeah, these are the questions which she goofed up in the another busy book, so they are here. This is another critical thinking question where you have this one is a name of the people, like denoting the people, and this is the length of the fish they caught: 8, 12, 13, 15, and 19. And here are the questions, the clues. Neither P nor A caught shortest fish. It means P will cross at 8 and A will also cross at 8. Then B did not catch the shortest or the longest fish. So B will get crossed for the longest one also. So now K's fish was 4 inch longer than S fish. P did not catch the longest fish, and B's fish was longer than K's fish and shorter than P's fish. So if you do tick and cross, the equations are very easy, but the child has to just focus and have patience. So we have done these kind of questions in other critical thinking books already, like DIY busy books only, and my girls loves them, so I try to get more and more questions and add them to our busy books. This is money division. So though I've told her like division thing, but when it is practical thinking, her mind works faster. I don't know why, but if I write 12 divided by 2, she will think and get worried, and mama is difficult. But when I say that I give you $12, you divide in two packets, one for you, one for your sister, then her mind works better. So I'm trying to introduce division and multiplication in terms of money more, because that is working well for us. So $12 in two packets you distribute, $10 in five packets, $40 in 10 packets, $25 in 5 packets, $90 in 10 packets, and $18 in 2 packets. So it's 12 by 2, 10 by 5, 40 by 10, 25 by 5, 90 by 10, 18 by 2. So usually the answer is very easy. But for a child thinking point perspective, when she goes to bigger numbers like $90 or $18, like which are not even or more than 10, she gets confused. So I'm just trying to get her a habit that they are very easy. You have to just think that you're dividing them among four people, and then see how will you divide, rather than looking at the numbers as number itself, rather than look them as money or dividing among the people or dividing the candies among kids. Then think practically those kind of thing rather than just looking at 24 divided by 2. So that is the approach I'm taking for division with her. Next one is again money, but here, how many coins are required? Like, how many 10 cents will make $3? So basically, $1 has 10 cents, so $3 will have 30 10 cents. It's multiplication or money, whatever you say, but money wise, this makes more sense because this also I realized. I asked her a question, something like, how many 25 cents are in $2, and she goofed up. So that's what I realized, that I had to do more practice questions on money, like how many 25 cents will make $3.75, or how many 1 cents are in $1, or how many 5 cents are in $80. So it's again division multiplication only, but again, when I said when it comes to money, they're much more interested because maybe she find it more practically usability, so doing multiplication division in that way. And this is the associative law of multiplication and addition subtraction. I was trying to tell them something on this lines only, that 2 into 5 is equal to 5 into 2. So they're like, what? So still I explained them in otherwise. So here I'm telling them again that multiplication, addition, subtraction and division. So for subtraction and division, these will not be equal to, but for multiplication and addition, these are equal to. This is the law, that 9 into 5 is equal to 5 into 9, but 9 divided by 5 is not equal to 5 divided by 9. So obviously when I'm teaching this concept, she'll understand it. I'll talk to her about it, that uh, 9 to 5, you don't have to do 9 5 times, you can do 5 9 times also, because the skip counting by 5. So you don't need to know skip counting of 9 or 10 or something like that. If you know by 5, then also you can do it. So that is a concept I'm going to tell her, that for division and subtraction, this law will not be applicable, but for multiplication and addition, this law will be applicable. So that's all is a busy book for my 7-year-old. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye bye.